Welcome to the world of creativity through the lens of Austin KLEON's influential book, Show Your Work. This guide has become a beacon for artists, writers, and creators, enlightening us on the power of sharing our creative journey. Let's dive into the essence of making our work visible and impactful. Show Your Work revolves around a simple yet profound concept. Sharing the how behind your art can be as valuable as the art itself. KLEON nudges us to embrace our process and showcase it to the world. He introduces us to the philosophy of thinking process, not product, encouraging us to open up about our techniques, challenges, and triumphs. This approach demystifies creativity, making it accessible and relatable, and invites others to join in the creative expedition. At the heart of KLEON's message are actionable strategies. First, document your journey. Keep a record of your daily creative endeavors, however small. Next, share something small every day. It could be a sketch, an idea, or a work in progress. This habit not only builds your portfolio, but also keeps your audience engaged. Finally, focus on building a community. Connect with like-minded individuals, provide feedback, and collaborate. These steps are not just about showcasing work, they're about weaving a narrative that resonates with others. Imagine an artist sharing the evolution of a painting day by day, or a writer posting snippets of their writing process. These real-world applications of KLEON's principles help creatives form connections, receive feedback, and grow. This transparency not only builds authenticity, but also creates a support system, crucial for any creative endeavor. By sharing your work, you invite opportunities for collaboration, learning, and inspiration. It's about creating a dialogue with your audience and fellow creators. This engagement can lead to new ideas, improved skills, and even unexpected opportunities. Your shared journey becomes a magnet for potential connections and growth. Show Your Work is more than a book, it's a mindset. As Austin KLEON guides us, let's embrace the practice of sharing, connecting, and growing together. Begin your journey today and let the world see your creative spark. As we conclude our journey through Show Your Work, remember, your creative process is a story worth sharing. Whether you're an artist, writer, musician, or any kind of creator, start small, share consistently, and watch your community grow. Share your work, share your process, and watch as your creativity inspires others. Let's recap the key takeaways from Show Your Work. Share your process, not just the product. Document your journey and share daily. Build a community through your work. Transparency fosters growth and authenticity. Your creative journey can inspire and connect. Embrace the mindset of sharing and witness how your work can positively impact others.